Hey, I'm Dr. Azmain. It's exactly 1 year since I posted my first video on this channel and 6 months since I started posting consistently. I wanted to make this video to reflect on how far I've come since then and to try to convince you to start a YouTube channel of your own. First of all, I want to thank all of you for watching my videos and subscribing to me. It really means the world to me. If you're new here, I try to make entertaining and educational videos about interesting medical topics, life as a doctor, reactions to TV series, and more. If you look through my videos since I started, you'll see all kinds of ideas and experimentations that I've been trying out. I'm constantly trying to improve, so please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see from me going forward. Before I start reflecting on my YouTube experiences in the past year, I want to make good on the value proposition for this video. So here are 5 reasons why you should start posting on YouTube in 2022. Reason 1. It's fun. YouTube is a great creative outlet. It's a personal project that belongs to you. Well, technically the whole thing belongs to Google, but you get what I mean. The time and effort you put into your channel is something to show for. It's like a, hey world, this is me, this is my channel, this is what I've achieved. Reason 2. You have something to say. You are unique. No one else has the same set of knowledge, experience, and perspectives that you do, that you have to offer. There are people out there who have no idea who you are yet, who stand to benefit from what you have to say. And if you earnestly start a channel with the aim of bringing value to other people, then you will eventually see returns on that. Reason 3, it's a way to expand your influence. If you're already an established business, individual, or creator, then YouTube is a way to build your authority. The more quality videos you make, the more trust you build with your audience, the more you build your authority in the field, within the YouTube sphere and beyond. And if you're just starting out, it's a great way to make a name for yourself, especially given that more and more people are watching YouTube nowadays. Reason 4, it pushes you outside your comfort zone. Single YouTube channel is like multiple people's full-time job, but the experiences you gain from trying it out and learning as you go is invaluable. Consistently making one quality video a week is a hard job, but every time you do, you get better at it. Writing a script, being on camera, filming, editing, designing a thumbnail, optimizing your title and description for search engines. All of these require an immense amount of skill that you continue to build upon every time you make a video, and a lot of these skills are transferable. And number 5, you could make money from it. This is the obvious one. Yeah, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months in order to apply to the YouTube Partner Program, and then you're eligible for receiving ad revenue. I haven't reached that point yet. But there are also opportunities with sponsorships and affiliate marketing. The thing is, the creator economy is just continuing to grow and grow. More and more people are making money from the internet, including YouTube, so why aren't you cashing in? If you treat YouTube like a business, then consider the time and effort you put into it as an investment that you'll eventually get returns on. The basics of YouTube is taking out your smartphone, filming a video, and posting it out to the world. It's as simple as that. Just start there, make some videos, put them out there, don't worry about them being good. As long as you're making videos, they will automatically start getting better, and just see where it goes from there. So those are my 5 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel in 2022. Now, here are my reflections from being on YouTube for the past year. I want to make sure to document the steps of my YouTube journey so I can look back in 1 year's time or 5 years' time and see how far I've come. It's a way to document the progress that I've made. Hopefully it'll motivate some of you guys as well, those of you who've always wanted to start a YouTube channel but never got around to it, that you can just go ahead and do it. Let's start at the beginning. I've been wanting to make a proper YouTube channel for over 10 years now. Back when I was like 14, I made a channel with my friend called Randomly Powered Games because it abbreviates to RPG, get it? We were gonna post absolutely insane Minecraft videos, and we really should have jumped on that bandwagon given how much Minecraft YouTubers make nowadays. Since then, I've made a couple of YouTube channels posting my musical endeavors, my performances with my band, as well as song covers and original songs. In fact, this channel started off as a music channel. So let's talk more about this channel. I graduated medical school in April 2020 and started working as a doctor in July. Obviously, until then, I was completely focused on medical school and passing my final exams. But now that I was working, around October 2020 is when I thought, I want something besides work, something creative, something I can show for, to put my efforts into. First, I made an Instagram account to document my life as a junior doctor and interesting medical topics. And then I started this YouTube channel in December 2020, where I started off posting a cover of Separator by my favourite band Radiohead. And then I took a 6-month break where I didn't post anything at all. My next video was in June 2021, an introduction to this channel. So that was really when I started posting consistently on YouTube. The real start of my YouTube journey. I told my colleagues at work, hey, I'm gonna start a YouTube channel from this weekend, and I just went and did it. As you can tell, this was not a split-second decision. I've been thinking about doing this for over a decade, and now I'd finally started a YouTube channel to be able to express my creative side. I rebranded my channel to Dr. Azmain to make it more personal. I realized one of my unique selling points is being a doctor. Even though there are many doctors on YouTube, this is a way that I can educate people and bring value to people's lives. At the start, I was like, why would people listen to what I have to say? Basically, I had to convince myself that my voice matters. One of my favorite YouTube creators, Ali Abdaal, said, what's obvious to you because of your knowledge and your experience may not necessarily be obvious to other people. If you want to help and educate people, you have to realize that your knowledge and experience is valuable to those who haven't had the same experiences as you. Ali actually quit being a doctor recently to focus on YouTube and his business full time. That is not something I anticipate doing anytime soon, but who knows what the future holds. But here's the thing, if I'm trying to put out something positive, something constructive into the world in order to educate people, then at some point surely I'll receive returns on that. I've had so many kind comments on my videos saying, oh, you will receive 100,000 subscribers in no time if you continue posting quality content like this consistently. And it really means the world to me that you guys are enjoying my content and believe in me. It just really keeps me going. Let's talk some statistics. I currently have over 550 subscribers, which is incredible. Over 200 of you have subscribed in the past month alone, so thank you so much. This is my 38th video, and including this one, I've made 24 full-length videos and 14 shorts. All 14 shorts have been somewhat medical related. 6 of my full-length ones have been on medical topics, 4 junior doctor diaries, 2 TV reactions with more to come, 4 music videos, 3 on cryptic crosswords, 2 on personal development, and 3 on my YouTube journey, including this one. 3 of my full-length videos and 2 of my shorts have received over 1,000 views. And I've had the most viewership from the United States, United Kingdom, India, Canada, and Australia. It's amazing to me that people from all over the world have been watching my videos. So where do I want to go from here? I think I should have some aims for the next year, 2022, to keep myself accountable. Maybe I'll make another reflection like this. So here are my 5 aims. Number 1, obviously I want to continue with this channel. I'm not done here, not yet. I want to make at least 1 full-length video every week if I can, because working as a doctor and life outside of work is still really busy, and I'm not going to pressure myself if I can't maintain that level of consistency. Number 2, I want to continue making short videos. They're easy to make and they seem to be getting some traction as well. A lot of people don't have time to watch full-length videos, so if I can make a 1-minute long educational and entertaining video that gets through to many more people, then surely that's a good thing. Number 3, I want to continue expanding the breadth of my topics. I want to do medical comedy skits like Dr. Glaucomflecken and Doc Schmidt. I want to do more productivity and lifestyle content like Ali Abdaal. And I want to do more TV reviews because they're really fun. So let me know in the comments below what shows you want me to react to. Number 4, I want to continue improving my technical skills in YouTube production. That includes making attractive thumbnails, improving my cinematography, using animations and transitions to up my production value. And number 5, I want to aim for 1,000 subscribers by June, which is a year since I properly started posting consistently. Even though I don't have control over the number of subscribers, I think I can get there by continuing to build my channel and make quality videos that provide entertainment and education to my viewers. You should watch one of my videos on screen that YouTube thinks you might be interested in. Please like, subscribe, and stay groovy. Oh God. The things you do for YouTube.